It's modern, it's innovative, and it's home to some of the most remarkable Wildcats you'll ever meet. Welcome to the Honors Village. This is so much more than a typical dorm. From housing to dining, classrooms, and more. Everything you need is under one roof. So come on, let's take a look around. More than 1,000 honors students call the Honors Village home. First-year students live in suite-style dorm rooms, like the one I'm about to show you. This is a double suite that houses 4 students. There are also single suites where 2 students share a bathroom and some private rooms available. Honors Village dorm rooms are some of the newest and most spacious on campus. Every room comes with furniture and lots of storage. Plus, you can enjoy awesome amenities like a community kitchen. There's even a laundry facility on every floor.
Sometimes, in between classes and study sessions, you need a place where you can just sit back and hang out. You'll have your choice of places where you can relax and get inspired. My favorite spot is the outdoor courtyard, where you can soak up all of Tucson's beautiful weather. Whenever you're hungry, you won't have to go far. The Honors Village has its very own in-dorm dining facility called 85 North. Whatever you're craving, you'll find it here. You can head to the salad bar, build your own burger, create your own omelet, find tasty vegan and gluten-free options. Oh, and don't forget to save room for dessert.
One of the best things about living here is having resources that will maximize your success, like plenty of study rooms to choose from. Don't worry about being late to class, because some honors classes are right in the same building. These classes are led by some of the university's top professors, and the classrooms are equipped with the latest technology. The Honors Village also comes with a built-in support system. Faculty and advisors have offices here, so help is available whenever you need it.
Ready for a study break? There are plenty of ways to unwind, like in one of these recreation rooms. There's also a state-of-the-art rec and wellness center right outside the front door. NorthRec has fitness equipment, a basketball court, a spin studio, and much more.
Now that you've had a closer look, we hope you can picture yourself living, learning, and making memories here in the Honors Village. As a motivated student with lots of potential, you're going to fit right in. Hopefully, we'll see you around soon. To learn more, visit go.arizona.edu/honorsvillage.